So hello everyone, today I'm supposed to review this new Bluetooth speaker from BlitzWolf, the BW-AS4, but when I received the box, something was knocking inside, so I suspected that something's wrong, and sure enough, this speaker here got removed along with the grill that's supposed to cover it, and also the wires here came off. So the plan is I'll try to repair it, file a complaint to Banggood, and see how it goes. Alright, so I actually took this apart already, but for the sake of this video, I put it together again to show you guys how I took it apart. So first we have to remove this gasket like thing here, then also have to remove these 4 screws. For those of you who are wondering what happened with this order, I actually filed a complaint through email in the Banggood website. I got a response from them after I think 2 days, and we agreed to settle via full refund, and without any further follow-ups or whatnot, they agreed, and I got the refund after I think another 2 days in my credit card. So good job on the after sales service there from Banggood. Yep. So here we see this fabric covered bottom, and as you can see, there are 2 small speakers there on the sides. Here's the battery and the buttons there for the controls, and these are, I think, the access to the charging port, the micro SD card slot, and an auxiliary input. So yeah, I think that's all for this part here. And to show you guys, I actually had to break this and that because it's glued to the body, so the only way I can think of is to break it to remove this translucent, I think this polycarbonate cover here, and access the speaker that fell inside. So yeah, here's the speaker. I think it's for the lower frequency, and here are the wires that connects to it. So I have here my soldering iron, few strips of wire to extend the one that was cut off, and soldering lead and electrical tape. So while we're getting this done, for those of you who might encounter the same issues later on, when you're going to file a complaint to Banggood, don't forget to attach the unboxing video and a photo of the sticker that came along with the package. I think that's what helped to make my refund process faster on that end. So yeah, here we are. I'm fixing the wires. For the polarity, I just followed the orientation of the speaker, and let's get it soldered here. Let's get this up and running so we can do a little review on it. So here it is, powering it on. Yep, the electronics still work inside, and pairing it to my phone here. BW-AS4 pair, and yep, then let's play some sounds. Next thing we're gonna try to do is fix it here. I had to chip some of the parts here so that I can position it properly. So here is a 2-part epoxy. We're gonna use this to fix the speaker to its position here. Yeah, so let's put that there, a bit more here. Hopefully it will hold it in place. Yep, seems to hold up well. Now let's try to fix the grill here on top using this CA glue, super glue, and let's check it out. Yep, you can feel the bass once you get this together here, and it pairs automatically. Sounds good. Yep, so it's coming along nicely here. The sounds are good. Only thing is there are scratches here on this translucent plastic because of the speaker, I think, that bounced around when it was transported. So here it is, paired with my BW-VP8 projector. I'm looking forward to do a bit more review on this speaker in the coming days. So yeah, until the next ClickShip review, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Goodbye.